Welcome to the channel. Today we'll learn how to watch IPTV through VLC Player. IPTV offers a fantastic way to enjoy television over the internet using playlists. First, let's start by downloading and installing VLC Player on your device. Once installed, open VLC Player and make sure it's up to date for the best experience. Next, you need an IPTV M3U playlist link. Let's explore how to find one. Make sure to choose a reliable IPTV provider. A great option is 2.2v.store. Once you have your M3U playlist link, let's go back to VLC Player. On VLC, click on Media and choose Open Network Stream from the drop-down menu. Paste your IPTV playlist link into the network URL field and click Play. Wait a moment as VLC loads your IPTV channels. This may take a little time. Once loaded, you can browse through live TV channels and start watching your favorites. If you experience any issues, check your internet connection and refresh the playlist. Don't forget to explore additional settings in VLC for optimizing your viewing experience. Now that you're up and running, let's wrap this up with some advantages of IPTV. IPTV allows you to watch shows anytime, anywhere, giving unparalleled freedom of choice. Thank you for joining. Don't forget our sponsor, W2TV.store, for the best IPTV experience. Please like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech tips and tutorials. Happy watching.